Hi guys, so I just made out big at Home Depot
I meant to say Hobby Lobby.
and I figured I would haul all the stuff for you guys. Normally I don't show you because I get like one or two things at a time, but this time it's like a pretty decent haul. So here we are. I originally went for Christmas stuff to decorate my kitchen, which I am gonna show you here after Thanksgiving, of course. So here's a little sneak peek of my idea of what I was getting, or what I was gonna do, or what I am gonna do in the kitchen. I got two of these huge fabric bows, and I got 5 small ones that are the exact same style, like this. You can see the size difference here. So my plan is to basically turn my top cabinets in my kitchen and make them turn them into Christmas gifts almost. So the one thing that Hobby Lobby weirdly didn't have was ribbon, like Christmas wrapping ribbon to match this. So I still need to go find that somewhere at Walmart, or maybe Dollar Tree has some, and I'm going to put like a strip going this way and a strip going this way, and then put the bow right on the middle of that and kind of make them look like little packages. How cute is that? I totally forgot to look for little tchotchkes for my tray in the middle of the island, but we're still on Thanksgiving, so I'm sure I'll have time. And then I also got this bow. I was originally going to get this style instead of those because I didn't see those felt ones. And then my baby, so I went to go put all the rest back, but my baby chewed on this one, so I ended up buying it just to like be like, okay, sorry, you kind of messed it up. But I'm sure I'll find a use for this, either like I'll add it to a wreath, or I'll add it to my little coffee corner or something. It'll be cute. All the Christmas stuff was 50% off. So all of those bows were 50% off, and all of the fall stuff is 75% off. There was barely anything left, but what I did get was so cute. So I got this sign. Oh my goodness. I am planning on putting this on the top shelf of the coffee corner. How freaking cute is that? I want to basically have that coffee corner like all done up for every theme of the year that I can possibly think of. I have cutesy lemon stuff for like the off season, but then for like fall and Christmas, I want to do some decoration. I'm thinking it would also be really cute to do Valentine's Day decorations over there, because it's just cute to get all the little Valentine's Day treats going. So I'm planning on doing at least those 3 holidays themed on my coffee corner. So this is for fall. So I can't use that till next year, obviously, because it's a little bit too late, but the steal that I got, I think that was like $6 I got that for. So I have a lot of videos going out this week because I just have so much I want to show you guys, but either the Friendsgiving video is already up, or I'm putting it up tomorrow, so you'll see what I'm talking about. I got these cute little boxes to do Friendsgiving gift basket type things with little festive treats, and they were like literally this tiny when they were supposed to be big, because I ordered them online and I wasn't really paying attention to the size of them. But the picture was also deceiving. They looked like the size of a dinner plate, and then they came and they're literally like tiny. Can't fit anything I planned on putting in there, but I saw these, and of course these were also 75% off. So I got these two. These are the last 4 that were left. So I got this cute little like fall print. There's just 2 of these, leaves print left. And these are so cute. And this is great for like storing decor, so that it's like, you don't really have to label it. You can already tell by looking at the box that it's for fall stuff. I'm gonna use these as gift boxes. So if you saw my Friendsgiving video and you're like, oh, I don't have time to order those things from Amazon that you got, don't order them anyway because they're too small. Go like the last second, this very last couple of days before Thanksgiving, all the fall stuff is 75% off. So I think these were like $1 to $2 each for these boxes. Like the small ones were I think $1.25, and the big ones were $2.25, I believe. So then I also got this other little fall print pumpkins and sunflowers, and it says give thanks on the top. These are gorgeous. If they had more, I would have gotten more of these just for myself. I love the pumpkins and flower combo, and then they have a wood print on the inside, which I think is really cute. So, like I said, I got random sizes because these were literally the only 4 left. So I also got like a bigger one of that print. Same print. How freaking adorable are these? So I'm going to stock these up. I'll link my Friendsgiving video, of course, if it's already up, but I'm gonna stock these up with like lemon curd and fall cookies, and I'm gonna do some freshly squeezed orange juice and some cranberries and package it all up really cute in these and give these to my friends. I thought that would be really cute. We finally bit the bullet. We finally just said, okay, we're doing it. We're getting some decor for in here in the living room. If y'all saw my last living room deep clean, I talked about what we planned on putting, and then I'm just really indecisive with decorating. And we still plan on seeing what our family friend can do for this space up here, but we also really love these from Hobby Lobby. So this is a 2-pack of these. The pictures are slightly different, if you can see up there. And then we got this huge, big, beautiful black piece. Let me grab it, it's pretty heavy. And we're gonna hang them right above the couch here. It's gonna be so cute. Take up like the whole screen, as you can see. Hopefully this is a good view. But the plan is basically to hang this right in the middle and then hang one of these on either side. And it's gonna be absolutely gorgeous in here. Of course, these, let me put this to the side. Ooh. I've been wanting to mix in more black with our decor because it is so gray and white in here, and I feel like the black just adds so much depth, and it's so gorgeous. And of course, this has a little bit of depth and black to it as well, but it also has the green, so it ties in all the other green elements that I already have going in here. So basically, my house's color scheme is like gray, white, black, and green. And I feel like I love that just like in general, but also it makes it really easy, in my opinion, to decorate for other holidays because I feel like green kind of goes with everything. So it's pretty easy to just add in pops of orange and brown for fall, and then take that away and just add in pops of red for Christmas. You get what I'm saying? Plus, I absolutely love green. I think it's so pretty. And green is really the only pop of color that I feel like I can commit to for like all my house decor, if that makes sense. I know that I'll always think it's gorgeous. Does that make sense? So that is all for my cute little haul video. Hopefully you guys like that. I can definitely do these more whenever I do big hauls if you like it. And I just thought it would be fun to switch it up, and I have a lot of videos going up this week because I have so much I want to show you guys. So I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.